Coronavirus pandemic has hit the West Wing. Now the White House has announced new safety protocols. ABC's Inez de la Catera has more on the changes and the continued push for more testing across the U.S.
Overnight, the White House making the historic decision to separate the president and vice president.
We can talk on the phone.
The temporary separation coming after a Pence aide and one of the president's personal valets tested positive for COVID-19 last week. As the White House adopts new safety measures, the vice president spent Monday away from the Oval Office wearing a mask while working in a neighboring building. 80,000 Americans now dead from COVID-19, but the president declaring victory.
We have met the moment, and we have prevailed. We've prevailed on testing is what I'm referring to.
But when pressed further about testing.
You've said twice here today that every American who wants a test can get a test.
Yes.
That's not the case. 1.9 million tests per day is far short of every American that wants a test.
I will say, just from listening and hearing like you do, we all do, not everybody should get a test because they have to have certain things.
As the country slowly reopens, health experts warning more testing is still needed. At least 45 states now easing restrictions. Parts of upstate New York restarting construction, manufacturing, and curbside retail this week.
It's an exciting new phase. We're all anxious to get back to work.
New York City is extending its shutdown until at least June. In California, Tesla restarting its assembly line in defiance of county shutdown orders. In Naples, Florida, beaches closed all over again after scenes like this emerged. Beachgoers there not practicing social distancing.
Today, Dr. Anthony Fauci and the heads of the CDC and FDA will testify via video conference to a Senate committee. The New York Times reporting Fauci is expected to say Americans will experience needless suffering and death if the country reopens prematurely. Inez de la Catera, ABC News, Washington.